Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how to fix Google Meet network issues. So if you are facing issue with your connection on Google Meet, you are not alone. It can be frustrating, especially when you are in the middle of an important meeting. But don't worry, we have several steps that will help you to resolve the problem and get back you want. So first, ensure that we have a stable network internet. So we can check internet speed on Google. So here we can test our internet speed. Okay, so it's working. And the second step is to visit uh next website to visit another website like YouTube. So, if you are not experiencing any problem in the other side, so it may possible that your Google Meet have a specific issue. But if you are experiencing problem with other side as well, it's good idea to restart your router. So my audio is working and I don't find any issues. But if your other side is not working, you can go on Windows and you can restart the PC or phone to fix the issue, and it can also help you to fix the issue. The next step is to turn on the permission. Now it's the important to verify permission. Make sure that Google Meet has a necessary permission to access your camera and microphone. You can check this on setting on your device. So checking on settings, open microphone and camera. So you have to give your microphone and camera permission. Allow this time for continuing the meeting. You can check this setting on your device to ensure that nothing is blocked from Google Meet from functioning correctly. This way, you can avoid unnecessary technical issue during meetings. So, here is the few steps that will help you to uh, solve the issue of network in Google Meet. So I hope you find I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.